Hey y'all, I'm back with a human hair from, y'all know, my most favorite human hair wig company, and that is Unice. Most of my, I can't even say most. Well, yeah, most is the appropriate word. 90% of my most favorite human hair wigs have all come from Unice. They are my favorite company, 100%. All I've done was take this out of its shipping packaging because y'all know I'm transparent. I'm gonna do it all on camera with y'all. So once I took it out of its FedEx packaging, the wig came in this beautiful pink iconic box that I know and love. This makes the storage of my units, because y'all, I have so much hair. This makes the storage of my wigs so much easier because I stack them on a bookshelf. So I love that. And then when I open it up, not only do we have the wig, but they've included their standard extras that they include with every purchase: an edge band, a 2-pack of HD wig caps, and an edge brush and comb. Okay, this wig is a Bye Nice wig, which equals easy and affordable. It is a 7x5. It is 24 inches long, and it is a water wave. Let's take it out of this packaging so we can look at the construction and the texture of the hair up close. They also included some Bye Nice tabs as well. Y'all, I love a water wave because you don't have to do much to it. You don't have to curl it. You don't have to do any of that. All you have to do is wet it, and it's good to go. But Unice takes their units a step further, because look at what it's done for you already. They already got those baby hairs swooped over there. They already have it plucked. This is a beginner, or if you're looking for a throw and go, this is a dream wig. I absolutely love this unit in particular. I have purchased this wig like time and time again because I love it so much. But they've changed up the thing with the cap construction that we're gonna look at. So the hair is really pretty, but then with the cap construction, we get that 7x5 parting space, which makes this wig very versatile. You can do left, right, up, down, the middle, half up, half down. You can do everything that you would want to do with a wig without feeling overwhelmed, like with a 13x4 or 13x6. So we have that 7x5, and then we have a comb in the back. We have now a thinner adjustable strap, a glueless strap. It is super thin, and I find these to be more comfortable, so I do love the thinner strap. And in the back of this wig, they've also put a wide comb and a drawstring. And if you've been here for a while on the channel, you know how I feel about a drawstring. This makes the wig feel so comfortable and flush, customized to my head. So I'm all for the drawstring. It is my favorite. Something else that I've noticed with this new cap construction, the unit itself is very stretchy, and I do like that. And y'all know how they used to have like that adhesion band. It wasn't sticky to touch, but you know what I mean? Like, it made the wig lay flat on the back of your head. Now it looks like it has some rivets in it, and they've carried that same adhesion strip up there at the top by that 7x5. Okay, so they've upgraded their cap construction, and I do love it. I just filmed another unit that I got by them with the same cap construction, and it is bomb. Here's that wig right out of the pack up against my wrist, and I think that looks really good just right out of the pack, y'all. Right. This will not take long at all. I'm gonna have to do is wet this. Y'all know I'm gonna do half up, half down. I'll give you a 360, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts, y'all. Be right back.
Natural disasters. My baby is moved around me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Feels like Don't you love when I come around? Nobody just don't you love when I feel like
Alright guys, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig by Unice, and y'all know what I'm gonna say. 10 out of 10. This one checked all boxes again. So my 3 boxes, if you are new here, my 3 boxes are affordability, beginner friendliness, and quality. Affordable, like I say every single video, hair doesn't get more affordable than Unice. They even have payment options, so check. Beginner friendliness. Y'all know I can't comb hair, so I am trying to find the most throw on and go wig that is possible every time I'm wearing hair. Like, if I'm wearing hair and I'm feeling overwhelmed by it, that's making my life harder. I'm not gonna do it. So I'm always looking for beginner friendly hair. This wig is extremely beginner friendly. All I did was take it out of the pack. Everything had been done. All I did was put some powder in the part and I pushed those other baby hairs to the back. I sprayed it down with some water and leave-in conditioner, and I think it looks really, really good. So very beginner friendly. Quality, 10 out of 10. I knew it was going to be as soon as I got it. Of course, no shed, no tangling. And you might be thinking, Jess, you took it right out the box. That's not true. At this point, I probably filmed. That would be good to go figure out how many wigs I filmed. Tons. I filmed tons of wigs, and y'all, we have definitely gotten some that have come right out of the pack and been garbage, trash. This is not one of them. The quality on this is very, very nice. I really like this one. This is a unit that I can 10 out of 10, 100% recommend that you go pick up. And they make this wig in various lengths, so you don't have to get it this long, or you can get it longer. So if you look at the description box, I'll put a direct link to this one because this is a staple. Like, this is a must-have. Everybody should have a water wave wig in their arsenal because it is the throw and go of wigs. Until next time, y'all, which will be very, 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 very soon. Bye, guys.
Natural disasters. My baby is blue around me. Kingdom to falling, angels be calling.